Hey guys, we're Ship Happens with Simon and Chris. Join us, our Norwegians, Aqua to the Great Stirrup Cay. Let's go.
The Great Stirrup Cay, Norwegian Cruise Line's private island escape. In this video, we'll take you on a journey through this tropical paradise. From crystal clear waters and white sands to beachside bars, snorkeling, and unforgettable views. We're showing you everything this island has to offer. Whether you're looking to relax or explore, this is the ultimate beach day you don't want to miss out on.
At around 9 o'clock in the morning, we arrived at one of the highlights of our cruise, the Great Stirrup Cay. One of the perks of cruising with Norwegian is their Latitudes Rewards tier system, which comes with some awesome benefits. As members, we received priority debarkation this morning, and that meant we were one of the first groups cleared to go ashore.
Currently, there is no pier or dock at the Great Stirrup Cay. Guests are brought ashore using tender boats, small vessels that shuttle you from ship to sand. We made our way down to the tender loading area and boarded a boat almost immediately. The ride was smooth and gave us fantastic views of the ship and the island from the water. But here's something exciting. Norwegian is currently building a dock at the Great Stirrup Cay. That means in the near future, ships will be able to pull right up to the island, eliminating the need for tendering altogether. Once complete, it'll make getting on and off the island faster, easier, and much more convenient, especially for families and those with mobility concerns.
As soon as we stepped onto the island, we were greeted with soft sand, swaying palm trees, and the beginning of an unforgettable beach day. One thing we absolutely love about the Great Stirrup Cay is that you'll never have trouble finding a spot to relax. Whether you're a sun chaser or prefer to chill in the shade, there's no shortage of beach chairs spread across this island.
After finding a place to put our stuff down, we were off to discover the island to see what it has to offer. But first things first, a drink from the bar. The bartenders here know how to mix up everything from tropical classics like piña coladas and rum punches to refreshing frozen cocktails.
With drinks in hand, we set off to explore the island. The Great Stirrup Cay has more than just beach chairs. Here is a place where you can rent mat and float rentals.
Norwegian's buffet is included at no extra cost while spending the day ashore. Everything is hot, fresh, and replenished constantly. The crew keeps things running smoothly even with a full island of hungry guests.
These adorable swings are tucked right along the beach, right after the buffet, and are perfect for a quick photo and video shoot. They're simple, fun, and totally Instagram worthy, especially with the ocean, palm trees, and the Norwegian Aqua in the background.
If you're looking to take your island day to the next level, you can reserve a private cabana at the Great Stirrup Cay, and trust us, it's worth it. These cabanas offer the perfect blend of privacy, comfort, and those unbeatable ocean views. From here, you can watch the waves, feel the breeze, and enjoy the day with a little extra peace and quiet, all just steps away from the beach.
This is one of my favorite bars on the Great Stirrup Cay, the Lighthouse Beach Bar. Not only can you get your favorite drink, it also serves blended specialty drinks that you could only find here at this bar.
The best hidden gems is this awesome food truck with island-inspired bites you won't find anywhere else, serving up fresh ceviche, Baja spiced chicken, and the most delicious rum cakes.
Out of all of the amazing food options on the Great Stirrup Cay, there's only one spot we keep coming back to every time, the taco stand. This beachside gem serves up made-to-order tacos with your choice of fish, chicken, or beef, and honestly, you can't go wrong with any of them. With the ocean breeze, sunshine, and a plate of these tacos in hand, it really doesn't get better than this. Now that we filled up on those delicious tacos, it was time to burn off a few of those calories and make room for some fun. We made our way back to the sun chairs to gear up and get ready for our next adventure, snorkeling in the crystal clear waters of the Great Stirrup Cay. With the reef just offshore and the water calling our names, it was the perfect way to cool off, explore, and work off a taco or two. Let's dive in.
After our snorkeling adventure, we kicked back and relaxed for as long as we could, soaking in those final moments of sunshine, sea breeze, and island vibes. There's something special about just being still on the Great Stirrup Cay. No plans, no rush, just the sound of water and the feeling of soft sand beneath our feet.
Eventually, it was time for us to say goodbye. We packed up, made our way back to the tender boats, and headed back to the ship, tired, sun-kissed, and so grateful for an unforgettable day in paradise. The Great Stirrup Cay will definitely be back. We're Ship Happens with Chris and Simon. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss the next leg of our adventure.